Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove your bank account or to unlink your bank from PayPal. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here in this video, we're going to follow this PayPal support article, and from here you can simply learn how to remove your bank account. So as you can see, we can simply go to the wallet, click on the bank you want, and remove the bank. So here we will need just to go to wallet, and basically in my case I'm using the web app, and I can find it here on this menu. We click on the wallet, and from here you can link new card, etc. So basically here you will find all your cards that will be showing here in this section, and simply you will need just to click on the card that you want to unlink. In some cases, it can be a MasterCard or Visa or whatever. You click on it, and basically you will need just to click on Remove Bank. So as we can see here in this menu, you can simply go and click to your bank, and we can simply click on Unlink. So this is the page that will be showing you, and you click on Remove Bank, and simply that's it. But make sure to resolve some problems. And basically, if you are unable to remove your bank, this may be because there is a payment or transfer that is pending or still processing. That means you need to make sure that you have no processing payments that are going on within your account. It means between the PayPal and your account, and you will need just to wait for a few days until the processing for the transaction is finished, and then you will be able to remove the bank account. Another problem that might be is the limitation or PayPal account. If there was any limitation, you will be needing just to go to activities or the help, and from there we can go to the resolution center, and then you can resolve your problems. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.